What's up, lovers? How are you doing today? Today I am making a video about why all women lie. Yes, and once you're gonna know why they lie, you're gonna have the upper hand, and you're gonna feel like you have a superpower. I am telling you, because I'm not one of them. I'm not a woman. Yeah, but yeah. So before we start, I wrote a book. It's called The Ultimate Love Cheat Code. You can find it at shopmelimonaco.com, or over there is also a course. So with the course, I will talk to you, give you some example, give you some exercises, and also with the course come a 20-minute video call with me, just with me. So you can get that over there. Also, if you need more, as far as talking with me, I have a Patreon at www.patreon.com/MelliMonaco, so you can book your session over there. Please and thank you. But like I said, women lie, and yes, they're mad at me because they know it's true, and I'm letting you know why they do it so that you guys can have the actual upper hand on the bitches. I'm about to give you the keys to the Pussy Kingdom. So I don't know if you guys remember, back in the day, it's been a while, I had done a video about women and what they're looking for. So I was at the club. Remember when I used to work at the club? I was at the club asking women what they were looking for in a man, what they like, what they wouldn't go for, what were their boundaries, their deal breaker, all that good stuff. I don't know if you remember. If you don't, you should go watch it. But besides that, those women were telling us what they wanted from men. But then I would ask the same question in a different way sometime, and they would answer a little differently. So the answer would keep on changing depending on circumstances. For example, I was like, how much does the guy need to make money? How tall? Or even, do you have a type? Even on the Pineapple Show, we could tell that some women are saying that they are open to something, and then when the thing presents itself, they're like, oh no, I'm not okay with that. Or they will tell you, no, that's a no, I would never go for that. But then they see a guy that's actually good looking or whatever, and then they would go for the exact same thing that they just said they wouldn't go for. So my point is, women are liars. And the key point here is that you guys, you men, do not take what women say at face value. Do not. Never do that. Yeah, you can listen to what they want, but that's not exactly what they want. Again, from the shows that we've had, a girl would say, oh, I need a dude that makes $350 a year. And then a dude shows up, good looking, tall, making just $100K. Oh, I'll take him. Exactly. She will take him. So what the woman fantasize is one thing, and what they're actually gonna go for is another. Or another one, he's short, but he got money. So now she's gonna go for it. Or she wants to do, oh, no kids, I don't do kids. And then you're cute, you're fun. Okay, we can try. So what you guys need to remember is that a woman, if she likes you enough, she will change or accept some of the things that she says she wouldn't go for. And that's why you guys shouldn't worry about it. Because all you gotta do is show who you really are, and then she'll decide. And I'm telling you, most women are like that. They're gonna tell you what they want, what they like, what they won't go for. But if they like you enough, they will change any of the things that they say they don't like. All the fucking time, we do that. We have an idea of what we would love it to be and how it should be, and Prince Charming on a horse and all of that is just an idea. It's a fantasy. It's not reality. If we could have this, obviously we would take it, but we would take a little less of it if it still has some sparks of this, some bits and pieces of this over here, and it's still good, we would probably take it. And the trick is, the older the women get, the more desperate they get, and the more they are willing to change what they say they wouldn't go for and actually go for it. They are very flexible all of a sudden, because they know that they're becoming a little less desirable because they're getting a little older. All women have that wish list, but it can be shifted and switched around just if you bring something else that she actually likes. I remember when I used to talk to this one dude, and I'm like, oh, I want a guy who has a situation going on, who has something going on for himself. And actually, this guy, great personality, was trying to have something going on for himself, you know, was grinding. And one of my thing was, I mean, you're fucking 34, still living at your parents' house. So to me, if somebody comes to me with that characteristic, I don't know him, no nothing, I'd be like, fuck no. Well, I didn't know that. We hung out, we did a bunch of shit, like had fun. And then he eventually told me, well, I still live at my parents' house. I moved back in because this, that, whatever bullshit he told me. And, or not bullshit, maybe it was the truth. But yeah, just stuff like that. Because I had such a good time and I saw like the ambition, I saw the dreams that he had, that he would accomplish in my head. I think he's still at his parents' house right now. It's been years. But in my mind, I was like, well, yeah, I trust that he's gonna get out of his parents' house. So I was willing to date the motherfucker that is at his parents' house at 34. And to me, that was kind of like a deal breaker. But he got me for a little bit, because he showed me other stuff. It wasn't, the breakup wasn't because he lived at his parents' house. But some other stuff transpired that I was like, oh, okay, never mind. But I changed my mind. Because if that was what was written on just a list, and people show me that list and told me, oh, that's him, I'd be like, oh, no, I'm cool. But meeting him, knowing him, having fun with him, made me overlook the fact that he lives at his parents' house at 34. So I'm telling you, we change and we will make compromises if we like you enough. So again, I don't want to say we are so much of liars. We are more idealists. We want the fairy tale. We want the perfect thing, knowing that the perfect thing is not possible. But if you ask us what would be ideal, we're going to give you the ideal that is actually looked at delusion, because this is not really available. All of this to say is that you knowing that gives you power over other men, because a lot of other men are going to show up and they're going to hear the list and they're going to be like, damn, I'm not fitting the criteria because I'm too short. But then when the bitch is going to hear you got hella bread, the too short don't matter. Oh, she don't want a man with kids. And then, you know, you're funny, good looking, you have money, whatever. You have other stuff going on. So now she's willing to overlook the fact that you have kids. So you, by doing that, you're not going to feel rejected when you see the list. You're just going to be like, oh, okay, cool. And you're just going to keep going and keep talking and keep showing her, because you know that when she's going to know you, she's going to change her mind and overlook that one thing that she don't like about you. Now you know that the words that come out of a woman's mouth is not always a reflection of her thoughts. Except from when she says no, she's not interested. That's different. Like, that's a done deal. But if you hear a girl that say, you gotta be tall, you gotta make 6 figures, you gotta live in my city, he gotta have this, those are lies. Those are, in the best case scenario, I wish he had all of this. You're not gonna have all of this, and it's okay. We don't care. Like, she's gonna like the rest. Don't even think that you don't got a chance. You actually have all the chances in the world if you have enough of what she likes. If she feels that you are the right guy, but you're short, trust me, she's gonna give you the time of the day. And it's just because you didn't, when you heard, oh, I don't like short men, you didn't, oh, okay, walk away. No, you were like, oh, all right, cool. And you kept it moving, because you're like, I know you're gonna like me, bitch, because I got the personality, I got the career, I got no kids, I got whatever you're looking for. I got all of that besides the height. Bitch, you're gonna fuck with me. Just show her who you are. Be cool, be yourself, and just show that you're not afraid or scared of what she says and her fucking list, because her fucking list means nothing, really. Most guys would run away once they hear the pushback, but you're not most guys. Now you know what them bitches are saying, and now you know how they think, and now you have the upper hand. So you just do that, and you'll get all the bitches that you need. I am telling you, and you'll get more sexual options. That's it. All right, so don't forget, we still have the book. The book is still here available, and we're good. That's it. If you want to have a real conversation with me, you can go on Patreon at www.patreon.com/Melli Monaco, and that's all. I think that's all. Yeah, so again, don't listen to what bitches be saying, because they don't know. They don't know what they want. They don't know what's good for them. You got to show them what's good. I'm telling you. All right. I love you guys. I will talk to you soon.